Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how easy it is to teach yourself how to walk on your hands, or if you have kids, how easy it is to teach them how to walk on their hands. So I taught myself how to walk on my hands when I was a teenager. You know, once a week I would take maybe, I don't know, 20 or 30 minutes and I would just kind of go like this, you know, just try to balance a little bit. As time went on, you'll notice, you know, week after week you could hold it for a little bit longer, and then eventually you could start walking. And right now we're teaching one of our kids how to walk on their hands, and she's making a lot of good progress. So I just want to share with you a few tips or things to know what to expect. The first thing you should know to expect is that when you're upside down, there's a lot of blood that rushes to your head when you're doing a handstand. Don't be surprised if you get a few headaches while you're getting used to having blood rush to your head. But from my experience, your brain kind of adapts, and after you do more and more handstands, it doesn't hurt your head. In fact, your head might even feel more fit. So probably the first thing that you want to practice if you are learning to walk on your hands is how to fall. Practice finding a way where you can fall that it doesn't really hurt you. You know, you can kind of move to the side like that, or you can kind of just go down and fall on your shoulder. From my perspective, I feel like you can learn how to walk on your hands. Probably, I'd give yourself about 6 months to learn to do it. One exercise you can do that is helpful for getting used to being upside down and balancing is you can do headstands. You can also do handstands against a wall. That's also a really good thing to do. If you have children that you're teaching how to do handstands, what you can do is you can do wheelbarrow with them. And it's not the exact same muscle group, but it's pretty close, where you hold their feet and they just walk around like this everywhere. And that exercise really strengthens their arms, their shoulders, their chest, their back, their abs. I think you can learn how to walk on your hands very quickly. I mean, if you spent day and night trying to walk on your hands, you could probably, you know, figure it out and get pretty good at it within about a month. That would give you enough time probably to have your body kind of strengthen up and to get used to kind of balancing. But realistically, I'd say it'd probably take most people about a half year, where maybe, you know, every few days you practice for a half hour, something like that. Practice enough until you feel like your head got a workout and also got your, you know, arms kind of tired and your shoulders tired. But once you learn how to walk on your hands, it's a very easy skill to retain. Because I learned how to walk on my hands about 15 years ago. And I honestly never practice walking on my hands, basically. Maybe once every couple months, I'll just do it to show some kids how to walk on their hands, but I don't really practice it. But yeah, it's pretty easy to walk on your hands once you get the coordination and you get used to how it feels to kind of walk around. It's a skill that can stay with you for a long time without much upkeep at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and just walk on my hands a little bit. Okay. If you're teaching yourself or someone else to walk on your hands, you'll notice that it's a lot easier to balance if you have your legs straight up, at least in my opinion. If you just keep yourself kind of straight like a board, in my opinion, it's easier than if you arch your back and put your legs way over your head. But you can do it either way, and your body naturally figures that stuff out the more you walk on your hands. Whoa! Yeah! Oh, getting a good workout. Oh yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Have a good day. Huh? Yeah.